Today's lesson, how to draw this fun robot. Hey, and thanks for checking out this video. I'm John-Marc and I'm going to be teaching you how to draw that fun little cartoon robot. What I'm going to be basically doing is just sketching lightly the basic shapes, and then from there I'm just going to be adding some of the elements that I wanted to do, and then sometimes I might just add some more things that I might not have seen on my model sheet or my little sketch that I did. And in this case, that was just the case. So what I did here right now is I'm adding some like these little legs and little round little balls to connect the two joints together, and then the square feet on the bottom. I chose these elements and shapes just to be very creative with just basic shapes. You have a circle, you have spheres in there, you have squares, and now you have ovals for the side of his ears right now. So just understanding basic shape and then creating your own little robot, it can be just as easy and creative too. So when you're doing this, feel free to use your imagination and take it to your style or next level. I just have this like little propeller on the top there. Sketching his eyes out right now, get some emotions. This is just a very basic drawing, a nice easy lesson that anybody can really work off of and then play again with their creativity. All my videos I really want you to take home is you don't have to copy what I'm doing, but following what I did and then customizing it to yours is what I really hope for. All right, so now I'm getting a little bit more detail and heavier with my pencils, because I kind of feel like where I am right now is a pretty good location to start laying in a little bit more of the outlines. All right, let's get a little nose on him there, his eyes, his little mouth. He's just going to have a closed mouth right now. And this is a real good version to check out, that you can keep the body the same, and on several different pieces of paper you can have his eyes open and closing as if he's blinking. I'll show you that in other videos on how to animate that little extreme animation. So here's another cylinder for the leg. Let's get that one straight down there, going down there to the leg. Building a little square up. This is like a little perspective. I'm just going to shade in those two areas to give some tone to it again. There you go, that looks good. Get the other side. I like that. Okay. Simple, and I'm going to follow the same rule, and it's going to be almost like a mirror image on the other side. But the thing that you can see different is the leg on the left is sticking out where the leg on the right is behind the sphere right now, and that's just to give some dimension. All right, let's get that little circle there, and you can see how the kneecap area where that is, that's how the cylinder hits the other one. It's a little different than the left side. So those are just little notes and little things I want you to feel free to explore. All right, so let's get this other one. Foot done. The same perspective angle, mirror image on the other side. All right, a little shading in there, a little light one over on that side now. There we go. Oh, yeah, let's just put some fun little stripes across there. If it was dimensional, or if it was like two pieces of metal that were put together. Let's play with his little ears right now, and feel free to. I mean, you could go crazy with this character. Add so many different textures and techniques, hoses and lights and buttons. I'm just taking it just very simple and let you do that creativity next step. Let's put the eyebrows on there, some lines on the top for his little propeller. Maybe that's where it comes in and out and he starts flying around. Let's give a little shape there, like if it's two pieces of metal there and another piece of metal right there, his little latch. He can have like a secret little arm that comes out there, or a light bulb, whatever your imagination plays up. And I'm just doing like quick little speed lines really quick, just to show motion that it gets moving. There's a lot of different techniques that you can add into that, where you can have like the blade look like spinning, and fast speed lines on the outside, like right here, like that, and the little ones out here on the other side, just really quick, gives it some type of feel of movement. Let's get this a little bit darker. All right, Let's get that a little bit over there, a little bit darker there too. You know what? Let's add a little antenna on the top of that one there, a little spin out there, and we got to put one on the other side then too. There you go. All right, that's looking better. Yep, I'm liking that. So what else can we look at? And then see a little bit over here, a little bit darker, a little shading. So this is when you can evaluate your picture and see where you are. So I'm like, you know what? Let's add some of the, like a skyline on below, like he's high up, and those are clouds. All right, I think we did it. So as always, make sure you sign and date it. And thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.